Before you invest a single dollar, you need to hear this. Most people dive into the world of investing with excitement, but zero direction. They chase the hottest stocks, listen to random YouTube advice, or trust a friend who got lucky with crypto. And then they lose money, get frustrated, and swear off investing for life. But it's not investing that fail. They just skip the most important part, the principles. In this video, I'll share the 10 crucial investing principles that everyone, from beginners to pros, must understand before they invest a dime. This isn't hype. This is the foundation of real wealth. Start with a clear financial goal. Every dollar you invest should have a purpose. Are you investing for retirement, down payment, or financial independence? Without a goal, investing is like driving without a map. Your timeline, risk tolerance, and investment strategy all depend on your objective. For example, if you're 25 and saving for retirement, you can afford to take more risks than someone who's 60. Know your why before you're aware. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. This isn't just a disclaimer, it's a principle. The money you invest should be separate from your emergency fund and daily expenses. If losing that money would cause you panic or push you into debt, it's not ready to be invested. A proper financial safety net comes before any investing. Protect yourself first. Time in the market beats timing the market. Trying to guess the perfect moment to buy or sell, it almost never works. Even professional fund managers get it wrong. The most successful investors aren't trying to time the market. They're staying in it. Consistency, patience, and long-term vision beat flashy moves every time. Warren Buffett's favorite holding period? Forever. Understand risk and your tolerance. Risk isn't just about losing money. It's about volatility and how you feel when your investments drop. Can you sleep at night if your portfolio drops 20%? If not, high-risk assets like crypto or speculative stocks may not be for you. Align your investments with your psychological tolerance, not just your age or income. Diversify or be ready to lose. Putting all your money into one stock or even one sector is a recipe for disaster. A single earnings report or economic shift can wipe you out. Diversification means spreading your money across industries, geographies, and asset types like stocks, bonds, and real estate. It reduces risk and gives your portfolio balance. Educate yourself first. Don't invest in what you don't understand. If you can't explain the basics of what a company does or how a mutual fund works, pause. Take time to learn. Read books like The Intelligent Investor or listen to trusted financial educators. An informed investor is a powerful investor. Knowledge is your best ROI. Fees are silent killers. High fees can destroy your returns over time. A 1% annual fee may seem small, but over 30 years, it can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Always check the expense ratios of mutual funds or ETFs and understand trading commissions. Look for low-cost index funds that keep more money in your pocket. Don't follow the herd. Just because everyone's rushing into tech stocks or meme coins doesn't mean you should. Herd mentality leads to bubbles and crashes. Be skeptical when something feels too good to be true. Smart investing is often boring. That's okay. It's meant to be consistent, not exciting. Automate your investments. Set it and forget it. Automation removes emotion from investing. Use tools like auto investing into ETFs or retirement accounts. This ensures you're consistently building wealth regardless of market swings. Plus, it removes decision fatigue, one of the biggest threats to long-term success. Stay the course. Markets will rise and fall. Recessions will come. News headlines will scream panic. But the investors who win are the ones who stay the course. Don't sell in fear. Don't buy in hype. Stick to your plan. Trust your strategy. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through discipline over decades. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term relationship with your money, one that requires patience, discipline, and most of all, principles. These 10 rules aren't just suggestions. They're the blueprint. So before you throw money into the market, stop, reflect, and build your foundation first. Because when the next crash hits or the next hype trend comes along, you won't panic. You'll be prepared. And that's what smart investors do. If you found value in this, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to take control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and until next time, spend smart, live rich.